Welcome students in your science class. I am Kapsemis, making your science easy. Here are some things keep in front of you. We will see from what material these things are made from. This is plastic box. This is copper plate, steel tiffin, silver chain, golden ring and coin. And this is hanky. Steel, copper, silver, gold. We call this thing as metal. But plastic and cloth, they are not metals. Means they are something other. So our next lesson is metals and non-metals. Last year we have studied about elements. Aluminium, calcium, carbon, chlorine, copper, gold, helium, hydrogen. These are some elements. Elements are classified into two groups, metals and non-metals. This classification of element is done by physical and chemical properties. First group, metal. Metals are shiny in appearance. We can see steel, copper, iron, gold, silver. These all metals shines. And non-metals do not shine. They are dull in appearance. For example, sulfur, phosphorus. This is mastic, and to mastic, phosphorus is stuck. We can see there is no shine to this phosphorus. Metals are hard and non-metals are not so hard. Along with metals and non-metals, there are certain elements such as silicon, arsenic, antimony and germanium which have some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. They are called as metalloids. They are called as metalloids. Means the elements are divided into three groups: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Which are the three groups of elements? Metals can be defined as elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. They are called metals. This definition is according to electronic viewpoint. How metals are defined? Metal can be defined as elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. They contain 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons. For example, sodium atom loses 1 electron, calcium atom loses 2 electrons and aluminium atom loses 3 electrons to form respective positively charged ions. We have seen this reaction last year. Last year we have seen the valency of elements. Sodium has 1 valency, means it loses 1 electron. Calcium has valency 2, means it loses 2 electrons while making compound. And aluminium has valency 3, means it loses 3 electrons while making compound. Now you will properly understand the definition of metal. Metal can be defined as elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. Electrons lose करते हैं metals. And non-metals are defined as elements which form negative ions by gaining electrons. मीन्स नॉन मेटल्स क्या करते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन करते हैं, खुद में लेते हैं. एंड मेटालॉइड्स कैन बी डिफाइंड एज elements with 4 valence electrons are normally metalloids. What are metalloids? Elements with 4 valence electrons are normally metalloids. The noble gases are the example of metalloids because they have 8 valence electrons.